All right, guys, walking back into the space. Looks like the install has already been underway for a decent amount of time. I had to run out and grab some more supplies. Them's is the breaks. So let me just go ahead and explain to you guys what's going on here. This is a Focal surround sound system that we're going to be doing. We were doing the in-ceiling LCRs because this was already pre-wired from the builder beforehand. And, I figured since this is all we had to go with a pre-wire, instead of busting into the walls and creating problems that way. Usually whenever you have a brand new house, it's already nice and painted. You don't. The worst thing you want to do is cut into these walls and then have to do repairs on top of that. So exterior wall back here, exterior wall over on this side too. This is miscellaneous. So again, it's kind of one of those things in which you kind of take the jobs as they are and try to do your best with them. So we decided to do in-ceiling LCRs in this room. We went ahead and popped those in. These are the Focal in-ceiling LCR 5s. These are the 100s. These are completely sealed on the back. They mimic, actually, since they're in the ceiling, they mimic that they're going to come from the wall themselves. So it almost appears that the sound's coming directly from the TV wall, which is really cool. We were going to do that back here. It looks like whenever we got here on site that they decided to put a brace for this projector here right down the center. So it's not 16 on center studs. They basically bisect that. So there's two big wood blocks there. So now we have to do is we have to fit a round in-ceiling speaker right there. So that's why I had to go out and grab those speakers real quick. We have the Sony 85-inch TV right here. Already has the bracket on it. Bracket's already on the wall as well. Obviously, you guys know that we like to use Wattbox surge protection, so we have that right there. So he's going to have his TV protected. We already have the AudioQuest cabling inserted into the wall. He's going to be using that for HDMI with eARC. And we already have the banana plugs terminated right down here, down below. So basically nothing left to do. Oh, cool. He already put these in too. We have the little Wattbox surge protectors for the subwoofers. So we have one there and one there. Cool. And basically now what we're going to do is we're going to get this TV on the wall and we're going to finish up this install, do a quick calibration, and that's it. All right, coming back into the space. This is the 85-inch X93L on the wall right here. This thing is looking sweet. I think that it's at perfect height, and even the angle of the dangle is perfect on it too. We have a customer supplied AV stand right here. We're going to be putting the AVR in there in just a minute. And then we have the dual SVS subwoofers here. We originally were going to get the micros, in which those are our most popular sellers right now. If you guys don't know, we're a brand new SVS dealer out here in Houston. There aren't that many. Actually, there's only one other brick and mortar store that actually does SVS. The rest of them are Best Buys. But we just picked this line up. I love it. You guys know, if you guys have been following me long enough, you guys know that I've been championing this brand since 2018. Highly popular. Again, the micros are probably the most popular ones that we have right now, but the customer decided just to go the extra mile and grab the SB 3000s. These have a little bit of a bigger driver, 13.5-inch driver, bulletproof amp on the back of it. These things kill. So we're going to go ahead and get this system finished out. It looks like the hole is back up here in the back of the room. So now that we have that done, we're going to go ahead and copy and paste on this side, and then this room should be pretty much ready to go. Just got to do a um, quick little calibration, and then we're done. So I'll check back in a minute. All right, guys, walking back into the space for the last time. This job is finished out 100%. We decided to do an in-ceiling surround sound system in here. As you guys heard of in the intro, we were originally going to do a whole bunch of these in-ceiling LCR speakers, but we ran into an issue back here with the construction upstairs. There wasn't a lot of room this way. Basically, someone instead of putting 16 on center, they put another stud in there right in the middle. So we had to consult with the customer. We swapped these out to rounds for them. He actually decided to upgrade to the 300s. So these are the 300 Focal IC W6s. Actually, let me see if I can just pop up there real quick. Show you guys. So these are the magnetic grills. Super cool. I love these things, like you guys already know. Some of my favorite speakers, for sure. But check that out. Blackstone driver, magnetic grills. You really can't get much better than that. Down here, we have the Denon. We're using the Denon 970 for this small room, and we're using some big boy subwoofers. We have the SB3000s duals right here. We're using those. Obviously, we always like to protect everything with Wattbox surge protection. So we have a little Wattbox surge protector here on the other side as well as for the AVR, and then one for the TV. So there's actually one behind the TV that you guys aren't seeing right now. AudioQuest cabling throughout. We have some extra cables here that we left dangling and we labeled for the customer because he wanted to add on a Amazon and a PlayStation down the road. So we went ahead and labeled him for them and kind of tucked him away for him real quick. But that's kind of it. Besides the big dog in the room, we have the Sony. This is on a tilt mount. This is their 85-inch, if you guys can even tell. This is a massive TV, and I think it looks incredible. So this is the Sony brand new, the 8593 X93L. And we've done a couple demos with it. I'll pop on a demo in here in just a second. But audio quality sounds great. Video quality is just impeccable. If you guys want to check this one out, highly recommend checking us out. Grid Hi-Fi, pick up the phone, shoot us an email. We'd be happy to help you out, especially with this white glove installation services. So even the customer just wanted his movie posters mounted. You know, we had a little extra time. We figured might as well just go ahead and throw them on the wall. But let's do a quick demo, and that's going to be it.
We started getting some visitors. From every universe. Hello, Peter. You're not Peter Parker.
I'm sorry, what was your name again?
Dr. Otto Octavius. Please, Scooby-Doo this crap. You're flying out into the darkness to fight ghosts.
What do you mean?
They'll all die fighting Spider-Man. It's their fate. Wish me luck. Good luck.
Give me everything you can on Domingo Chavez.
On paper, you might be the deadliest operator the CIA's ever employed. I need to find out who's behind all this. To be honest with you, you're all I've got.
See this? Now I'm blushing. So what are we getting at?
Convergence.
Defusing the drug cartel with a terrorist organization.
Not on my watch.
All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up from today's install video out here in Sugar Land, Texas. We are the Grid Hi-Fi and Home Theater, so if you guys want anything done like this, please don't hesitate to reach out. We can pick up the phone, shoot us an email, gridhifi.com. You guys can also check out our links in the description. If you guys like anything done like this, whether it's TV, media room, game room, full-on private cinema, or even a home theater, outdoor audio, anything necessary, we're there to help you guys out. White glove installation service, 5-star service. That's all we do. That's all I got for you guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We will see you next time.